Hey everyone, this is PTC channel, and today I want to show you my top 5 Hot Wheels Batman. Hey, hey, what's up? This is PTC channel, and today I want to show you my top 5 Hot Wheels Batman. But it's 5 na papakita ko sa inyo guys. But actually, hindi yan i-open guys. Makita ko lang sa inyo may top 5. Actually, sealed pa siya. Sealed, di pa siya bukas guys. Dato, tingnan nyo guys. Hindi pa siya bukas. Okay? Lahat siya, di pa bukas. By the way guys, I'm back from this channel. Medyo busy lang ako sa paggawa ng assignment, school. Ngayon guys, upload tayo. Today is holiday, walang pasok ngayon. It's August 25. Ano kayang meron sa calendar guys? Isipin ko nga kung anong meron. Sa kadalay, today it's August 25. So, ito. August 25, it's National Heroes Day. So, walang pasok lahat ng mga nagtatrabaho and estudyante. Wala talagang pasok ngayon. It's August 25. So, right now, pakataw na sa inyo yung top 5 ko guys. So, guys, layin na natin kung ano yun. Pakataw sa inyo. So, guys, my top 5 Hot Wheels is this Batman vs Superman Dawn of Justice. This one is the Batmobile. This is Batman's car in Batman vs Superman Dawn of Justice. But I love this car also because favorite ko itong movie na to because ito yung top 5 ko guys, everyone. Yan. So, ito yung top 5 ko. Ang ganda niya kasi guys, oh. Pero guys, actually, yung gulong niya may light blue sa wheels. Ayan, oh. Ang gulong niya guys, light blue wheels ata yung kulay. Ayan. Oh, guys, ang ganda, oh. So, guys, ito yung favorite kong movie, yung Batman vs Superman Dawn of Justice since grade 5 pa ata ako, favorite ko na tong movie na to. Kaya ito yung top 5 ko. Ang ganda guys, grabe. Actually, sealed pa siya. Hindi pa siya nabubuksan masyado. Yan, so this is my top 5. My top 4 Hot Wheels Batman. It's this car Batmobile TV series. This is the Batman Classic TV series 1966. So yan guys, ito yung maganda guys. Actually guys, top 4 ko lang to. So wala kasi ito yung nakita ko lang sa store guys. Wala guys, everyone nung kulay yung totoong kulay ng Batmobile, yung itim, katulad nun, itim. Wala nung itim guys. Kaya ito lang nabili ko. So, kasi naghanap ako sa ibang store at sa online, wala sila nung itim na TV series Batmobile. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ito yung 1966 car. Yung sasakyan ni Batman and ni Robin. So, dakla. Ayan. Yes, it's Retro 1966. Yan yung Batman Classic TV series 1966. Ayan, Retro 6 logo ni 1966 and DC si Adam West. Ayan, so this is my top 4 at the back. Wala, ganyan pa rin guys. So next, right guys, so ang top 3 ko naman na Hot Wheels Batman is yung this one is the Hot Wheels Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile. Ayan guys, so, top 3 ko lang yan guys. Napakaganda guys, Napakaganda ng gulong. Actually guys, pag tingin nyo, hindi kita yung loob. Talagang yung labas lang. Hindi kita yung loob guys. Ayan. Actually guys, top 3 ko to. Pero guys, Arkham Asylum. So, ang nakalagay kasi, Arkham Knight. Yan lang guys. Ito yung top 3 ko. Ito yung guys, bago kong bili. pa lang yung bago kong bili guys. Nung ako'y lumuwa, nagkala. So ito yung bago pa lang siya guys. Arkham Asylum guys, may mali eh. Arkham Knight yung nakalagay. Tapos ito Arkham Asylum Batmobile yung nakalagay. So next. Last to na lang guys. So and this my top 2 Batman Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels Batman is this Batman and Robin. Ayan. Oh, yan guys. So ito yung Batman and Robin Batmobile's car 1997 nga ba? 1998. Ayan. Ang ganda guys, grabe oh. Actually guys, lang sa picture. Nandiyan yung mukha ni Batman. Pero dito guys, hindi nyo wala. Talagang yung Batmobile lang. Ang ganda guys, grabe oh. Same pa din sa dito sa likod. Ang ganda ng wheels. Okay, so I got these. So last na guys, last car up Hot Wheels Batman. So next, so my last Batman Hot Wheels is this, the animated series. So yan guys, Batman the animated series 1992. Yan, Batman the animated series Batmobile guys. Ito guys, yung napakaganda guys. Meron ako nito guys, so meron ako nito guys, yung ano, yung gold car, pero naka-display guys, so yung nakabukas na Batmobile, Hot Wheels. Kulay gold siya, pero ito yung black, so hindi pa siya nakabukas. Ayan, napakaganda guys, grabe yan guys. Kulay gold, may gold wheels. May gold wheels pa to, yellow yata, yellow wheels. Ang ganda guys, grabe. Nasa 10 out of 10 siya guys. Napakaganda kasing tignan. So yan na guys, yung may top 5 Batman. Yan guys, so like if you like these videos, leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget the notification guys. Please like and subscribe. 169 subscribers na tayo. At mag-subscribe lang kayo guys. Let's say baka 1,000 subscribers tayo guys. Tulungan nyo ako mga 1,000 subscribers. See you guys next time. Bye.